high security we have here. Heard some chirping in the dumpster, so I tracked it down, and this thing was chirp, chirp. But yeah, it's got a little button here, and arrows pointing. Interesting. Oh, it cranks. Oh, it doesn't uncrank. I see. Well, let's see, we got a little juice here. 2.8 volts. And oh, that's annoying. So stuff doesn't twist up very good. Do like that. And problem solved. So deep and yeah, that's annoying as hell. Let's bust it open. Alright. That's a little wire here. Well, I guess this is an rfid, huh? It's all potted, encased in plastic. Suspect this is the antenna. That was cool. Yeah, there's no physical connection between this and this. Here's the guts of the situation here. This was the spring inside the little, I took it out because my magnet sucks, but yeah, I got a little ratchety mechanism. Yeah. Little nub. And I guess the logic of this is, you try to stick it under your coat. This rfid's gonna go off at the door. Or if you try to cut the contraption off, this noisy thing's gonna go off. Unless, you jump the wires. Or brought a good neodymium magnet with you. But there's literally nothing on this board other than a little microcontroller with the beep 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 on it. Couple resistors. Switch, LED. It's kind of handy.